Your home's doors do more than create entryways. They provide security, comfort, and style for your entire property. But when a door starts sticking, squeaking, or showing visible wear, many Middleburg homeowners face a common question: should you repair it or replace it altogether? The right choice depends on the type of damage, the age of your doors, and how well they're protecting your home. Here's what you need to know when deciding between door repair and door replacement in Middleburg. When door repair is the right choice, not every issue requires a full replacement. In many cases, minor damage or wear can be fixed easily and affordably with professional repair services. Common repairable problems include squeaky or loose hinges, often fixed with tightening, lubrication, or hinge replacement. Sticking or misalignment. If your door rubs against the frame or floor, adjustments to the hinges or weather stripping may restore smooth operation. Small cracks or dents. Surface level damage can usually be filled, sanded, and repainted. Drafts or air leaks. Replacing worn weather stripping or applying new caulking can eliminate drafts and improve energy efficiency. If your door is relatively new and structurally sound, a quick repair may be all that's needed to extend its lifespan. However, it's important to act fast. Small problems, like water damage or a warped frame, can worsen over time, especially in Middleburg's humid climate, turning a simple repair into a more costly replacement later. When it's time for door replacement, if your door is old, severely damaged, or no longer performing as it should, replacement is often the smarter investment. Modern doors are designed with advanced materials and technology that make them stronger, more energy efficient, and longer lasting than older models. Signs you need door replacement: warping or rot. In Middleburg's warm, humid weather, wood doors can absorb moisture and lose shape over time. Warping affects both fit and insulation, often making replacement the only solution. Cracked or broken panels. Deep cracks compromise your door's strength and security. Frequent drafts. If your door continues to leak air despite repairs, the frame or seal may be beyond fixing. Difficulty locking or latching. A door that won't close securely is a safety concern that can't always be repaired. Outdated or unappealing design. If you're renovating or boosting curb appeal, a new door can instantly refresh your home's look. New doors also come with insulated cores, weather-resistant finishes, and impact-rated glass, features that enhance security, comfort, and energy efficiency. For Middleburg homeowners, this means protection from both break-ins and the area's frequent rain and humidity, while helping lower energy costs. Energy efficiency and comfort. Many homeowners don't realize how much an old or damaged door can affect their energy bills. Gaps, worn seals, and misaligned frames let outside air enter, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain indoor comfort. A modern replacement door, properly installed, can reduce this energy loss dramatically. Options such as fiberglass and steel entry doors feature insulated cores and tight weather seals that keep conditioned air inside where it belongs. This upgrade not only lowers your monthly utility costs but also keeps your home quieter and more comfortable year-round, a major benefit during Florida's hot summers and humid nights. Long-term value of replacement. While repairs may seem more budget-friendly initially, repeated fixes can add up. If your door has multiple issues or is nearing the end of its life, replacing it offers better long-term value. A new door adds both functionality and beauty, increasing your home's curb appeal and resale value. Additionally, most modern doors come with manufacturer warranties that cover defects and performance, something older doors rarely offer. Final thoughts for Middleburg homeowners: deciding between door repair and replacement comes down to the condition, age, and efficiency of your current door. Choose repair for small issues that don't affect structure or safety. Choose replacement if your door is warped, inefficient, or outdated. By working with local professionals who understand Middleburg's climate and home styles, you'll receive honest guidance and quality results. Whether you're refreshing your entryway or upgrading for better protection, The right door solution will enhance your home's security, comfort, and value for years to come.